Okay, so now it's about 8:05 in the morning. I've dropped Sam off at the train station and I'm about to go to the airport because I am going to Serbia.
Hi there, how you doing? I'm pretty good, thanks. You have a lovely day now. Time to go. Hi there, how you doing?
I'm in Serbia.
Okay, so I've now arrived at the hotel room. It's been a great day, and I know you're probably wondering why it is that I'm in Serbia. Well, the reason is I'm going to be doing a shooting class, taking a shooting class, pistol shooting class. So that's going to be fun. We just had dinner, an enormous meal at the instructor's restaurant, and tomorrow we're going to head out and start shooting some handguns and having some fun. So we're looking forward to seeing you there. Sadly, the live show is not gonna be on today when you see this. There's no Saturday live show. It's gonna resume next week, however. Hope you enjoyed the Thursday special nonetheless. Hope you enjoy the videos that come as a result of this trip. Have a lovely day. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Goodbye.